Oh, we got that good old Buc-ee's. If you know, you know. Hands down. All day food bus. This is, let's see what this called. A brisket breakfast taco. Fa. You ain't hear me? Fa. 10 out of 10. Recommend. Look at Diamond and her cowboy. Yeehaw! Hey, cowboy.
Hey, you guys.
Why you always trying to eat the butt?
I don't eat butt.
What you do? Show me.
I'm not gonna do that on camera.
Show me again. Tay the auntie. We grocery shopping with our aunt today. Auntie Tay. Yeah. That boy got a get. What you say? See, we got a cool ass auntie. What? We said, I was telling my YouTube that we shopping with auntie today. Auntie? Fuck y'all. Then you turned around. I said, look, we got a cool ass auntie.
I ain't got this shit.
What?
Shit.
You talking about the dino jet? Oh. We went, you know who we here with? Type of people, you know what I'm saying? We ain't got no ketchup or nothing, do we? Oh, y'all eat ketchup and mustard.
On the hamburgers, I do ketchup and mayo.
Y'all want mustard too?
They might.
What about relish?
For the hot dog, yes. We just get like small ones. We don't need nothing big.
Organic. Simply. Which one?
Maybe the Simply?
This?
Yeah.
Why they ain't got one like that?
I know, because that would be the person that they all like.
I think I'm gonna go with this one. She come on. 4, 3, has to be the one. Alright, that'll be black. Cause he's not even black. He not even black trying to get watermelon, cause the whitest of the group want watermelon. You feel me? Talk to my people.
Gotta get some mayo because I gotta have mayo on mine. Ketchup and mayo. That's it. But we also got hot dogs too. Did you want relish? No.
Relish. Yeah. Charcoal grill. Yes. They said they got charcoal. That was it. No other one. We gotta get the briquettes. Hot dog buns
And hamburger buns.
What y'all eat? I eat Martins. It's the best bread in the world. What you eat? You look like he don't care. He look like he eat the wheat bread. It ain't, you right. What y'all eat? Wonder Nation? Wonder Classic.
The Great Value version.
Great
at the bottom.
Value. That shit don't even taste like bread. We can't do Great Value.
Okay, so do this.
I could do. You don't care. I thought you was getting them more.
You wanna get these?
Are y'all doing burgers? That's what they said.
Yeah.
Fine for y'all. For us.
Yeah. Why is it like that?
You said for us, like we can't get none of your turkey dog.
You can, but I'm not eating that. That's why I asked if y'all like that. Control your feelings. What are you talking about?
What's wrong?
They had bullseye beef, then they had franks.
We want turkey too. How many? Where the burgers at? We
I
get
didn't get it
burgers.
because y'all didn't say.
I'm gonna buy the
Y'all
beef,
want
but like,
burgers?
is it? Do y'all want me to buy like burgers?
Turkey.
Ground beef?
He said, do y'all want turkey and ground beef, or you don't care?
I'm fine with turkey.
We're gonna need 2 of these, and then 2 of the hot dog kind.
What the fuck? That shit ain't funny, bro. That shit touched my hand.
2 hot dogs.
No, you can. What are you doing?
Hot dogs.
What the fuck is keto?
I don't know.
Ain't that the diet thing? These niggas eat diet bread.
What's a
now.
potato?
The Martins. The hoagie.
No, they the same. I don't want that one. We can get Wonder.
What's a potato roll?
The bread is like
This one.
It's like the Hawaiian one.
Oh, it's sweet like that?
Like it's soft and
These are soft.
that bread make you wanna eat a glizzy. Let me stop. We don't eat no blizzards around here. My big toe hurts.
My pinky toe. My pinky toe hurt.
We walk like 18 hours. Alright, we got it. We need chips and
Yeah.
Who? Shit bandits. Alright.
So we had that one.
We had sour cream. Y'all ate all the sour cream.
And the chili cheese Fritos.
So
Gone.
we could do these ones, or we could do
Yeah, the same one again?
Diamond and Friends. Which one?
Last time we had that one. So we can try this one with the hot cheese.
Is y'all gonna eat those?
Yes.
You know, Didi is. Chip bandits.
If y'all see all the Funyuns gone, hey, might as well go ahead and let y'all know.
She be hooping in the funny.
Juice or
We got waters.
Yeah.
I bust these down. I ain't gonna hold you.
Oh, that's the one from when we was a kid.
That shit ain't gonna
What
do
y'all
nothing,
want?
you know?
Y'all want
Oh, we gotta get more ginger ale anyway.
Yeah, let's get stuff like that.
we need to go over an hour, I think.
Yeah.
That would be two different ones or what? Or one?
I'm fine with Canada Dry.
Huh?
I said I'm fine with the Canada Dry.
I ain't gonna drink nothing else. Unless it's like juice or something.
Huh?
Unless it's juice. I'm not. Maybe the only other thing would be Sprite. I won't drink no other soda.
So you only get Sprites or something everybody drink or what?
Yeah, we can.
Or just get a Sprite? What?
Get a Sprite.
Please.
Por favor.
I particularly like diet. Diet. Why these ones $5 and them ones $7? We don't want Sprite.
Did you see Andre?
Oh, it's on the road. On the opposite side where you seen the wine.
I didn't even see it when I walked past.
You ready?
I just need to see.
Get that out your pocket.
I gotta get some more wine.
You know,
These is good, y'all. Y'all be sleeping.
those. I think I used to drink those when I was younger.
No, they all really good.
I'm vlogging.
We're vlogging now.
Oh, so I'm on the camera right now?
I turned it on.
Let's got it, man.
Big L, please, man. Big old SRT, boys.
That's a YouTube. They was asking because I had the camera. Yeah. So I was trying to get your name, but I was pulling it up. But I just pulled it up for you.
Say that 1.3 going up. Turning up. Yeah, all the way up.
Yeah, them two boys right there. They seen me with the camera. They talking about, you YouTuber? I said, my friend is. I said, go on follow her.
Yeah. I'm trying to grocery shopping. We're trying to get some wine. Anybody want a wine? This is a turn-up part. You love them damn boxes. What's so different than the bottle?
What about how many bottles?
It's got 4 bottles.
So we got wine all week. So, I mean, all these next couple of days, probably here.
I think we got one more day.
Nah, tomorrow gonna be lit.
Yeah.
Gotta go crazy.
I got these for the deep.
Wine. Sunday?
Yeah.
What time we leaving Sunday? What time we leaving Sunday? We just gotta get out by 11. Just do Sunday. It's a long ride home. It's already gonna be. Just get me over the bridge.
Let's say we still got water.
Yeah, y'all ain't even bust my water over here.
Oh, so it's only the thing.
Yeah. We need to put in some ice, do all that. So we get ice today?
Well, that's good. Damn.
Look at all this stuff. Yeah. Or salt juice.
Receipt. Hell no, we running. Today's steakhouse?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Steakhouse. Y'all getting steak? Shit, I doubt it. I ain't had no steak, but I didn't even tell you last time I had some steak. ROCKIN fried 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
see
my
y'all like-
steak fajitas.
It don't even be like that.
Steak fajitas mixed in with the chicken from the Mexican restaurant.
Ah, them joints, yeah.
What?
That joint you made last month, that shit was good.
Couldn't have been steak, what it was.
Them little fajita shit.
Oh, the taco thing with the chicken. The jerk one?
Yeah.
With the mango
You don't
sauce?
feed me steak. I only get chicken when I come to your house.
I don't even buy steak no more.
Then the next day you eat steak. I want some steak with mashed potatoes.
I cook you steak
little
with
thing?
mashed potatoes with bacon crumbles on
What
top.
that thing?
With
What that little TikTok?
But and then you said you made steak. That was baked with Salisbury steak. You done fed me a TV dinner?
Mashed potatoes cold as fuck in the middle.
Yeah, that's what I get when I go to her house.
You don't get no
And
Salisbury
then,
steak.
and then when I look at her TikTok and Instagram the next day, these motherfuckers eating real steak. Shit crazy.
Eat steak.
You see how I ain't got no friends.
Mashed potatoes.
Cold,
Yes,
it's
you
cold world out here.
do. Ooh-wee.
That nigga try to give me Uncrustable. What is
I like Uncrustable.
my God. Could we get in the middle lane, Diamond? Not on the edge? Yeah. There you go, that's a lot of water. Now we going over the peak of it right now. You see her?
Yeah. On the right. Imagine the traffic being bad and the
to come build this tent for me while I relax. Oh hell no, we gotta crawl to get under there.
How you make it go up?
Watch the top first.
You want us to crawl to get under there.
Dang, Tay.
First up goes up to this OG. Go ahead. You gotta tell her.
Tell her the phone. Thank you.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Alright.
The white Jeep at the end.
Don't say make sure you follow. Say
I did.
make sure you follow because they don't have to. Just say follow my
She
YouTube.
pulled out her phone. She was
Oh,
gonna
okay,
do
go
it.
ahead.
But I said it's on the.
Next up, we got the white G.
I'm blue.
Go.
What?
I ain't got my phone on me. Alright. Look, he trying to shout this shit up out. He said, let me get my boy right. 30 and up. He say follow him.
We got a teamwork out here.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
I got you. Teamwork, dreamwork. Thank you.
The red one beside mine. Or should we go
We
further?
don't see nobody. We gotta get some.
Go further?
We gotta get some of us in there.
Some more?
Us.
Like black folks.
Yeah.
We just did on black
I'm saying I don't want nobody goddamn Aunt Karen following me. You feel me? I don't weak. I take all supporters. Okay? Say Lily. She said Lily. Hey little doggy. Little doggy.
Alright, who we ducking next?
Let's duck that boy.
Alright.
And the red.
With the girl who got on the red?
Yeah, we gonna duck her and then we gonna duck the blue G. Hurry up, you be making it awkward. They be like, why the fuck they recording
Yellow
that?
ducky.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Oh, one more. We ain't giving out no free ducks. Where your Jeep at? Where your Jeep at? Look.
You don't keep me laughing. I'm the president.
And you better follow my YouTube. Thank you.
I'm about to go to y'all right now. You ain't want to give me a Where your Jeep at?
Down there.
No, that's not y'all.
Look, he by himself on his phone. Okay, let's go. You can't be skipping people.
Why?
Cause they gonna come up to you like he did. Where my duck?
I think I remember him from Facebook. I think. Yeah, a few dollars or something.
Look.
Yeah.
How y'all doing?
Where y'all from?
Charlotte. Where y'all from?
I'm CJ. Chicago.
Okay, Lily.
Lily?
Denasia.
Denasia. Denasia. Okay. Your name? Alright.
Yes, that's
CJ.
I like this one.
a yellow duck.
He got a good kid. Yeah. Huh? You said what? That bitch hard.
Which one?
That gray one.
We get them a pink duck to match their Jeep.
All right.
It ain't no tag on there.
And you know that's an orange. Red. Sweetheart. She get a little colorblind ever since the baby. Took her eyesight right away.
You said what?
I hope it stays.
You hope what?
I hope it stays.
Oh, yeah. Oh, get out the way, y'all.
All right, that's too far. Come on.
Is he calling us?
I don't know. He's on water balloons though. Don't let them fill us with a water balloon.
That's why I don't like ducky balls.
Why?
Because it's like, if you
I know, like the
a bag of seagulls.
other one, duck. So I was like, oh, get him too. I felt bad because he was looking like him.
Thank you. Get us.
Hey, just follow the YouTube. Two doors matter. Two doors matter. Who? Hell no, because that means, oh, okay. I'm not going to come out there. That means, even hope? Hold on, wait. God damn!
I ain't reminiscing no more, I swear I'm past that.
She hungry, hey.
You bring it up on shit if we say we past that. We just chillin' like someone we tell them past that. I hate to see you leave, but then that ass fast. Tell me what you're doing to me. I like me.
She dug me.
All this new shit new to me.
That lady that just walked past right there. Let me see if they dug you too.
She did, but I love you. Pick you up at 8. I just bought my girl a new AP. She don't even check the date. All I know is
What you building, Ty?
gotta either be replaced.
Ty, what you building?
Walt Disney.
Walt Disney?
Walt Disney. I'm taking her to Walt Disney. I'm so forward.
Who you taking to Walt Disney?
My boo.
Yeah, boo? Hey, boo. Oh, Lord.
You jealous.
What else? Ty?
You said what else?
Huh?
You said what else?
What else?
That's it.
That's it.
Shit a must. Gotta pay it to myself cause I need some love. When my girl got on my birthday, she filled me up. I was getting on school.
Fuck it up, Don. Fuck it up, Don. Fuck it up, Don. Fuck it up, Don. Okay. Yeah. Swing it, swing it, swing it, swing it, swing it.
Alright, I'm ready.
Back up a little. I see you. Yeah. You in the same frame. What you about to do? You gonna dive? Y'all, this boy that had an edible. I ain't talking about he about to dive and catch the ball in the ocean. This nigga's tripping. I think he hit a line. Tay. Tay. Over. Yeah. Yeah.
That's a lot of money for me.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. What? The nigga just drowned, yo. He didn't even die. I think his knees broke. But he wants to impress his girlfriend. So he's gonna act like it doesn't hurt. He's clearly burning right now. Fayetteville. Uh-oh. 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 Oh. Say you blocked the camera, bro. As soon as he did it, I heard splat. You gotta stand up. And it was just your butt in the camera. What happened? Who? Tay? Oh. Your abs red as fuck. Look at his abs, y'all.
Because he died so hard.
He said hurt. I think he broke a rib too.
You okay?
Yeah.
First it was just his knee.
I'm hot.
That's my fault.
Don't do that because he really take that shit to the heart.
I'm a man. That's bad.
Oh, that was hard. That was hard. That was tough. He finally caught it. That was tough. Now he got 2 broken ribs, a broken kneecap, and a toenail. Watch, I'm gonna do, this is the before. Watch when that pain kick in, when that liquor and that Eddie get out of his system.
I ain't doing that shit no more though.
You heard him, he ain't doing that shit no more. What you say? What you say, Ty?
This shit perfect.
I told y'all.
Yeah.
I told y'all that boy broke the kneecap.
I had to get that bitch though. I did.
Let me see his knee. He did it for the vein.
Ain't nothing. That's paper cut.
That shit burning.
I put that on my kids, man.
Yep.
I put that on my kids, bro.
Okay, calm down.
Put
Tylita.
that on my kids, bro.
Not no dialer.
She got nursed him back. I told y'all he broke 2 kneecaps, a broken rib, and a broken toe.
Damn.
Your bed.
And a broken back.
Come here.
He did it for who?
My kids, bro.
He did it for his kids, bro. All 3 his kids. Tylita, Dyler, and who? Tommy.
The brakes barely work. Bro, the brakes barely work.
The second ankle was like this big, bro. I swear to God.
No, the first time when he
That was
first
the
came,
ATV. No, look. That was the ATV. Then look. He walking through the street. We had like a hotel. He walking through, he done fell off the curb. Then pushed the other one. Both ankles like this, babe. I know you got a picture. He had a wheelchair for him. We had a wheelchair for him. And that's his specialty. You do? I got beat. Damn, Tyler.
Sharks gonna eat my ass.
Why would you die? That didn't hurt?
Nah, that damn thing hurt.
He had some tires on. Oh, hell no. Come here.
I'm gonna need that footage. That's $2
This
right
man
there.
is cut. They bleeding. Ew.
Hey, Wake Forest about to recruit me now. I told him I'm going in 2018. Wake Forest is about to get me though. I'm about to be all star for them.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God.
I'm back to running back, you know. I'm like that. I'm still laying. Give me a chance, break. You know. Holler back at me. I still got my eligibility. I ain't played one game yet.
come here.
Nurse Diamond.
Huh?
Nurse Diamond.
You feel me?
It's Nurse Diamond.
I'll be alright.
He tore 2 ACLs, 3 toenails, and a knee vertebrae. Yep. I see it. His bone sticking out right there.
Why is it sideways? Oh, did you see it?
Because he broke his kneecap.
Why did I break my kneecap? Go on.
With that big ass hood. I like that.
Go.
Oh, both of them or just the first one? Gotta hide the set. I'm ready. I had to hide the set.
Where you going?
Huh?
Where y'all going?
They get wet in the water. Right.
Go ahead, man. That shit cold. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Oh my god.
I got shots?
Yeah.
You got shot already? Oh, so okay. Yeah. Got one? Yeah, that's yours. That's yours. Yeah, they did so too.
Get over here. All right, you gotta go. Get down, Aaron. I said I gotta go.
Y'all got one? Huh? Oh,
I got one.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got one too.
Okay. Everybody got shot? I got two. Recording? Y'all recording this? Yeah. Boomeranging or something? Or Snapchat? Hey, the GBs? Hey,
D20
good people.
Little bit saying never hurt nobody. Little grin of a tooth.
Just so you be ready. Is the thing around?
It's what? Tyler, where your wine at?
got triplets.
Stop saying that.
I got 2 nephews and a niece and
Hey, you guys.
That's the pappy.
I'm the pet.
You remember, what's that movie?
I know what you're talking about.
Waterboy.
I'm the peppy of that boss, baby.
You can say anything when you do, they must commend it.
You shot that club up.
Hey, you know that what Q said?
Plenty survive.
I'm in the kitchen.
Yams everywhere.
That's why I gotta take it down.
Everywhere.
You ain't